when you're a plant-based vegan, you're, these plant-based vegan guys say, man, this is Christian. And you know Haley Bell, right? Haley Bell does, me and him do a lot of videos.
Yo, I'm plant-based vegan. This body's plant-based vegan.
Whoa. Right now I have a gym. Actually, we don't need a gym, do we?
This the gym here.
This is the gym here. We got my monkey bars, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is like tough right here. That's where we do upside down push-ups.
Oh, upside down push-ups.
Upside down push-ups. And that's right there with the chin-ups.
Okay.
And I have my boxing room. I have a boxing room. Tell them I have a boxing room.
Got a boxing room, rock
Rockin
climbing
room.
all in your house.
All in my house.
So you only gotta leave the house. You got everything here. You got the garden in the back as
Garden
well.
in the back.
What can you ask for more, huh?
This guy's with me. I don't think he ever wants to leave me.
No, I'm still here forever. And just rock out.
Oh yeah, that's a dog.
Yeah.
You want to talk about any of your some what happens when you change your plant-based vegan your colitis?
Yeah, when I don't, when I'm not strict to
When you're not strict.
fruits. Yeah, when I'm not strict to fruits and vegetables and keeping vegan-based stuff like no dairy and all that kind of, or meat. You know, I just it activates my symptoms, exacerbates symptoms of Crohn's, just discomfort and bloody stool and
Not
fatigue.
pleasant.
You
Yeah.
know, like a lot of fatigue for sure. Yeah. So you gotta keep it clean.
Keep it clean.
And that's how all the dogs chill with y'all.
What? You're not vegan, are you? No.
No.
We don't do it.
I'm vegan,
Yeah, that's good.
you know, but sometimes I take an adventure away because
Yeah, that's the way it is, you know.
because life sucks.
Life's a challenge, right?
It ain't always rock and roll. Sometimes it's funeral death march.
Okay. Last word, Scotty.
But first things first,
Yeah, go.
we all breatharian first. So work on your breathing more. Water, and you got your food. So
Look at his head.
take
up.
that deep
Look at
breath.
his head, damn.
Yeah, you know. Shout out to Nikki.
Shout out
She
to
got the
Nikki.
best hands in Lansdale. Even though it's super duper tight. But yeah, breath freak, you know. Signing.